Unfortunately, Armenian occupation of Azerbaijan's territories did not allow Southern Caucasus to develop as more or less integrated region. We had all chances for that, but aggression and devastation and suffering of Azerbaijani people did not allow that to happen. So Southern Caucasus was not integrated, though from economic point of view and point of view of transportation routes and of course energy security, that could have happened. If we look at the relationship between Azerbaijan and Georgia, we will see all those segments which I just mentioned: energy security, transportation, political dialogue, investments, economic advantages. So Armenia actually deprived itself from that, and actually, as a result of occupation and aggression, deprived itself from becoming a transit country, important transit country for Azerbaijan's energy resources and transportation routes.